Hey guys, it's Mike again down at the RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today, I want to show you a 2020 Grand Design Momentum. This is a 376 series toy hauler. Come on around, check this out. A few quick things going around on this one you want to start out with. This coach has 3 AC units, a lot of good storage up front, more storage in the back. This is kind of designed, it's an upper level design. Beautiful outdoor kitchen area, two grill stove, got your refrigerator for your beverage of choice. And then come on around back here. Remember I said it was a toy hauler. A little bit different of a toy hauler though. Let me pop this bad boy open. On this one, if you're a bike enthusiast, Harleys, yeah, I guess even a Honda, you know, but if you like to ride bikes and you need a way to travel them around and you want them encased and not out in the elements, take a look at this. This is made for dirt bikes. You could probably get 2 smaller Harleys in or Hondas, a good street glide, whatever the case may be. This is a bike rider's dream right here. Come on around, let's go inside and check this bad boy out. Oh, come on in. Okay guys, we made it inside this Momentum. When you come in the main entry, you're gonna go right into it's a center kitchen. This is a front living coach as well, but I'm gonna start out in this kitchen area. I want you to notice, take a good look around. Got a place for your coffee bar over here. Really great feature in this coach too. 2 pantries, look at that. Plenty of pantries. I've said this before many times when it comes to RVs, you can never have enough storage. So keep that in mind, a lot of storage in this. Beautiful 3-burner cooktop stove, nice oven. It's a Fusion brand oven, microwave above. Okay, coming in, it's also a convection microwave. And looky here, y'all, 4-door refrigerator freezer with the freezer on the top combo. This is a residential sized fridge, y'all. Can't beat it. Then over here, kind of your hutch, if you will. Extra storage down here, more countertop. These are solid surface countertops, by the way, too. Now, controls for this coach coming in, I want you to see them. They're all right here. This is a touchscreen coach. You can move your slides in and out controls, control your lighting, all right here. Just one finger, okay? Center island, great for extra cutting surfaces and for your cleaning. Deep sink, look at that solid surface, beautiful. Oh, look here, ta-da, moves right around for you. Okay, beautiful, beautiful kitchen area in this coach. A lot of room. You have a 4-seat dinette area in this coach as well. Plenty of lighting, plenty of space, plenty of cabinetry. All right, let's go up in the living room for a minute. As you come up in here, I want you to notice right off the get, you have Thomas Paine furniture, very, very elegant, very crisp layout. 2 couches on opposing slides up here so that you can make beds if you have guests over if you want. And then look here, nice, beautiful fireplace. Look at that, isn't that nice? With a telestrator TV above that is on a backlit. What I mean by telestrator, very simple, y'all. Yeah, all the controls for this is right up here in this cabinet. You can push a button and this TV goes down. Isn't that fantastic? Right back up. Just don't show the grandkids that. They'll wear it out, y'all. Very elegant, very formal, very nice coach. I want you to notice something else. Ducted AC, but this coach has 3 units, 3 AC units for this coach. It's hot in Texas, hot in the Southwest, Arizona, wherever you're going to go, you're going to stay nice and cool in this kind of coach. Come on, let's head to the back. We're going to go up the stairs towards the master bath and the bedroom. If you stop in this there, what you see is nice walk-in shower. I'm about 6'2" on a good day, and I promise you I've got plenty of height in that shower, plenty of room, nice shower area, very nice bathroom, very simple, very clean, very elegant. Come on in this master bedroom. Now I'm going to come over here so y'all can see it. Over on the side slide in this coach, you got a beautiful wardrobe layout there, plenty of closet space. Over here, another small wardrobe there, plenty of cabinet space around here. Beautiful bed area. Nice, comfortable, easy, functional bedroom. And I didn't mention this out front. You have night shades all the way around, privacy shades all the way through this coach. Very easy to operate this coach. Very simple, very crisp, very elegant. Keep that in mind when you're looking for some. And remember, your Harley's waiting on you, right? So you're basically sleeping with your Harley because you're right over the top of it. Come on, let's wrap this one up. This is a 2020 Grand Design Momentum. It is a toy hauler series, the small hauler for your bikes. You know, maybe a small side-by-side, maybe more than likely your bike riding enthusiasts. This is the coach you want. Come on down and see us at the RV Depot Super Center in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Ask for myself, I'm Mike, Teresa, Bridget, JJ, any one of us. Shoot us a text, email, Twitter, smoke signals, whatever it takes. We'll figure out a way to communicate. Thanks for stopping by.